At Joey House.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice talk to you.
We made bunot already, okay? And now I'll try to call. Is that okay with you guys?
And
Sobrahan ka na sa English.
Mahirap ba mag-English?
Mahirap mag-English. Nakakaupo talaga. Yung English ka na kumakain ka na. Bira ako mag...
Hey! Can I just make a call now using my Nokia Asha 200?
is that your phone?
Yeah.
No.
No, it's mine.
It's that
Bossing has
bossing
his.
phone.
I have mine.
You have mine?
You don't have yours?
I have yours.
It's Nokia Asha 200 QWERTY and Dual Slim.
What
It's
a
only
beautiful
cheap.
phone.
It's 3,500. You can get it anywhere, nationwide.
It's so mura.
Yeah.
It's mahal. It's mura.
It's like the bomb.
Anong mahal at mura?
Si mura, tsaka si mahal.
Wait I'll talk to you later. I'll dial.
Okay, you dial. Hey, Alan.
What?
Practice only.
Practice only? Paulo, can you talk also? You talk.
Hey, Alan.
I was calling you.
You took your relationship.
Oh, Alan.
What?
Are you a monkey?
No, I'm an ape.
Oh, just making sure. Peace. Algie.
Pick
I
up line
hate
pala
you.
yun. How about Jimmy? You ask Jimmy.
Oh, Tito Jimmy.
No, he said he has no voice. But if you really want to hear his voice, here it goes.
Ah, no boys, ha? Paulo, many boys.
But Jimmy Santos, no boys.
Someone screaming.
Oh, dreaming.
Dreaming?
Screaming. At the same time, drowning.
Ah, drowning. It's under the drowning, right?
Hello?
There. Nice voice. Sounds young.
Oh, you give your voice to Jimmy Santos.
What is your name? Hello?
Where is your name?
What is your name?
Rosario Alino.
Rosario.
Rosario Alinas.
Alimaw.
Alinas.
I'm sorry.
What's your address? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
She doesn't listen anymore. I think you have to go to her place. The address.
the address?
1958 A Anakbayan Street.
Layo, 1958.
1958 A. Anakbayan Street.
1958.
628 yun.
Ask.
Rosario Alinas. 1958 A. Anakbayan Street.
Yes.
Showering.
It's showering. Okay, we look for Rosario.
Sa
Say it.
Balikbayan, you talk to Balikbayan. We have pasalubong for us, okay?
Wow.
Yeah.
Anakbayan, not Balikbayan.
What is that?
What is Anakbayan in English?
Anak bayan, newborn.
Children of the barangay.
Child of Poblacion.
Ayun.
Ano ba kayo?
English, poblasyon.
Parang mainit.
No, it's not too hot.
Yeah, it's quite nice actually. What?
Wow, it's quite
Nice.
Just like going tonight.
Did you see that, Paolo?
What?
Ah, okay, you're walking. You cannot see. You have no
1958
monitor.
E.
1958 E.
There. E ba yun? 1958 E? I think that's the one.
No,
Here it is. 1958 A.
that's the one. Not dahon, the one.
Knock knock.
Wow. Knock, knock.
Knock knock. Tuesday.
Anybody home?
Tuesday. Mom? Rosario, is that you?
Mom, my friend is here.
Hey, are you Rosario? What's that again? Jose?
Yes.
What's that again?
Mom, my friend is here.
Wow.
They make vacation.
Rosario, here's Alan.
Hello, Rosario.
Hello po.
How are you?
Okay lang po.
Oh, please English.
You're okay, but you're crying.
How are you? How are you, Rosario?
Okay lang po.
Please, in English. How are you?
I'm okay.
Oh,
I'm
really?
fine.
Is that your house behind you?
Hindi po, sa likod po.
No, at the back.
At the back. Itatranslate ka lang namin.
The house in the back.
Opo, sa likod.
Bahay nyo yan, yung sa likod mo.
No, Alan,
Opo,
English.
Kwarto lang po.
Kwarto?
Opo.
Parang
lives in the
umuupa
back of the
kayo,
house.
ganon?
Hindi po, parang sa ano po,
Parang-
biyanan ko.
Parang sa biyanan niya.
Opo.
Okay. So may asawa si Rosario.
Opo, may asawa po.
O ba't ka naiiyak sa asawa mo? Saan asawa mo?
Nasa Riyadh po.
Nasa Saudi.
Opo.
Ate, ba't
Kaya
po kayo,
pala may kulay yung mga kuko mo.
bakit po kayo naiiyak?
Wala po, natutuwa lang.
Nakaka-LL pala to si Rosario. Nakakaluwag-luwag. May design ang nails.
Patingin ng mga daliri.
Pwede ba pumasok sa kwarto mo?
Opo, pwede po.
O, pasok daw kayo.
Okay, well, let's go in. Let's enter the
Now
dragon.
let's go in.
Hi, guys. Oh, it's Kung Fu Panda. Hindi Kung Fu.
Oh, it's dark.
Oh, it's Kinaitis.
It's dark.
Oh my, look at that. It's like Temple Run.
It's the house.
It's the jump. Oops. Slide.
It's the house.
Oh.
Who's the two kids?
Ito ka-classmate ko.
Ano yung kasulat sa pintuan? LD... Ano?
Love.
Log.
Love ba?
Hindi.
LOG?
LOG. Ano po nakasulat na yan?
LBM.
Po, ginawa lang niya.
Ano ibig sabihin ng LOG?
Baka NCR.
Graffiti.
Ano ibig sabihin ng LOG, Iha?
Ayun yung kwarto.
Wala lang.
oo.
Oh, wala lang. Wala pakialaman ng trip.
Oo nga.
Oo. Kung ano ilagay nila.
Mahal ang bahay naman nila to.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Eto,
Para raid yan ah.
Parang.
sino nagdala sa inyo rito?
Ano probinsya nyo?
Kailan pa kayo rito?
Nagtatakip-takip pa ng mukha.
Muna po kami rito 9 years. Ay, 19 years.
19 years.
years.
Bakit dinala niyo yung mga bata rito? Anong meron dito?
Mga anak niya.
Ha?
Anak niya.
Akala
Anak
ko.
niya to.
Bakit di ba? Bakit
Hindi
di
kayo
ba
pumasok?
dibdib?
Test lang po namin. Test lang po.
Pag may test, maaga uwi.
Final achievement test.
Ha?
Final achievement test.
Ah, may achievement test pa ba? Ano yun?
Sa Inabot mo ba yan?
Wala.
Achievement
Puro
test.
periodical test yung sa amin.
Periodical.
Ba't may achievement?
Para saan yung final achievement test?
Laban-laban po ng school.
Kung sino pinakamataas?
Opo.
Sa overall yun?
Opo. Sa Manila lang.
Ano yung honor roll? Ranking?
Oh, parang
Ranking
ganun eh.
yata ng eskwelahan.
Meron na pala. Public school ito. Public school.
Sa Rolyo.
Tapos may labanan ng mga eskwela. Kung sino yung pinakamataas na eskwelahan na makapasa doon sa test na ginagawa nila. Yun. Ibig sabihin, yun ang pinakamataas.
Ranking ng eskwelahan.
Oo. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung eskwelahan.
Parang assessment daw pala yun ng eskwelahan.
Yes.
Oo. Bago yan, bago yan.